This thing feels surreal. That shit crazy, yo. Yo, what's going on, boys? Back again with another video. Very exciting video, this one. So I think it was 2 days ago actually. I woke up, bro, and I was just tired of the car feeling slow. Got up and I'm like, you know what, bro, I'm going to tune it today. I still didn't get my res delete yet. The car is still catalyst downpipe, and I did go with the stage 2 tune. I also got an XHP stage 3 transmission tune again, so the shifts are sounding very, very nice, bro. The car is sounding brand new. It's feeling brand new. Feels crazy and everything. Look at that guy. But yeah, the car is finally tuned. Still gotta get a res delete for the pops to be a little bit louder. So right now you can hear them, but it's a bit quiet, and I still gotta mess around with the settings because I'm rocking the same settings from the 335i. Obviously that was an N55, this is a B58, so I gotta change it up a little bit. If you guys watched the last video, I got the yellow DRLs, and I'm just showing you all the diffuser first because this is one of my favorite parts of the car as well, and the big front mount intake. So the car is feeling different. Like, I'm in love with the car now. Just look at this thing, bro. God damn. Let me know if you guys like it. A bunch of you guys actually liked it. So I just took the kidney grill parts out, like the slots, but it still has the little surround piece. But yeah, the car is looking crazy. Like I mentioned 1,000 times, I still gotta get my res delete. So the pops are not the loudest right now, but they're definitely there, just not crazy loud. Look at this Audi. It's a S4. Damn, that thing is nice. I like the front lip on it. There's always some sick cars parked up here. I got a check engine light. That's from the front mount intake. I'm gonna see if I can code that out or something. Damn, this is a slammed BMW. Oh, I've seen this the other day actually. Look at this thing, and he said it's static because I saw him driving and I'm like, bro, is that thing static or some bags? Well, he said it's coilovers actually, so at least it's not spring, so I think he can adjust it. But that thing is crazy. I've never seen a lower BMW than that. Like, that's as low as you can go, and everyone be staring at the car now with the yellow DRLs. Turns a lot of heads. Y'all are hearing that intake? In my last video it wasn't as crazy as this because now I'm learning a little bit more how to like make the intake make the noises I want. Everyone likes it, bro. That's the sickest feeling though. I'm trying to have the craziest car at the school. Well, that's gonna be hard because there's like a girl with a G80, a Range Rover SVR, and a Huracan STO. Can't get enough of that sound, yo. I think I know this guy actually. Yo, I'm making a POV, bro. Yeah, sick whip, bro. Yeah, I appreciate it, bro. I just got the intake and stuff on it. Yeah, what you do to it? Stage 2, and yeah, front mount intake. That's about it though. And XHP. Wow. Yeah. Hey, your whip's clean though, bro. I saw it and I'm like, damn, I know this guy. Yeah. That's your cousin, right? Yeah, my cousin. Hey. You want me to pull up? Yeah, I'm down, bro. I'm down for sure. Alright, babe, bet. It's good, bro. I ain't got no patience, bro. I swear people are miserable. It's just because it's BMWs. Alright, boys, we just pull up here. Got my car parked up. It's 535, I believe. And my boy with it's actually a 328, but it does not look like it. It's one of the cleanest 328s I've seen. The 437Ms. That's what I want to get for my car. Either these or some Apexes. But look at this thing, bro. That's crazy. And you got the sick plate on there, custom plate. I want to do that as well, but no. But yeah, everyone's loving the front mount and the DRLs. He's like, ain't no way, bro, you just got this car a month ago. It's actually crazy how much I've done to it already. Looks completely different. But I'm gonna see if if they want to just drive around the school with me a little bit and probably take a picture together. And we're just gonna pull up to a little spot to take a thumbnail together, and I'm gonna ask them if they want to just do some little cutting up with me. This guy in the 535 actually goes to my school. The other one doesn't, but they're cousins and I know both of them, so it's pretty sick. I ran into them today. He said he was just here to get some food and stuff. That's crazy though. I like running into people I know, especially because I don't even know much people here, to be honest, like with cars and all that. It's probably gonna be one of my sickest videos. Nah, his car is clean, bro. Like, I love white BMWs. I was either gonna get a white or a black one, bro, but I've never owned a black car before, so That's why I got this. But damn, a white F30, that's crazy. I don't even know if it's lowered, but it looks lowered. It's on the big rims. It's straight down there, then you turn left at the stop sign. We took the wrong turn, but we might just find a spot down here instead. It's probably easier too, to be honest, less people. This feels like a dream, bro. It's M240i? Yeah. Damn, that's crazy. I believe this guy is N55. I'm pretty sure 535. Yeah, it's an N55 too. So just like my old car. N55s do something crazy though. I gotta give him that. Damn, there's another Beamer. Who is this one? Damn. Damn, I had never seen that black one before though. I think it was 335. That shit feels like a dream, bro. That N55, I'm telling y'all. Yeah. Everything is sliding on my seat. But yeah, this is the car with the stage 2, so it feels crazy. I'm telling y'all, y'all can probably see the difference too. This is like the main area of the school right here. That shit crazy. But yeah, that's like the main area. That's a gym over there, and that's like the main building where everyone always is. There's a 335i again. Pretty sure it is a 335. All black. Hey, damn, we got a Merc. God damn, that's shit crazy. It's a girl driving that one. Damn, I always see it. Yeah, this shit crazy, bro. We got another one. I don't even know who this one is, to be honest. But this shit crazy. This lit. Damn, bro. It's good, bro. What's up?
340?
Yeah. At 335?
Oh, I love it. You do anything to it?
Stage 2 catless downpipe.
Oh, is it M package?
Yeah.
Look what you did there.
Yeah, I just did it, bro.
I wanted the front mounts. How much did it cost you?
I had a 335 too, bro.
No, the same one.
Yeah, N55. I had one before this. It was stage 2 plus, fully Volta. Yeah. You go here, bro?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Of course, bro. I have an E92 335 that's just parked up.
Yeah?
It's fucked.
Where?
It's fucked.
Well, the engine?
It's N54s, bro.
Oh, engine is blown or something?
I don't even know, electrical issues.
I'm gonna let them hear the front mount. Everyone likes it, bro. Damn, I'll be dropping my phone and everything, bro. Damn. This is someone probably go tell us to move, bro. We're in some no parking, but it's what it is.
This, yo, what is it? Stage 1?
Stage 2.
Stage 2, so how much are you pushing? Like 5, 6?
Yeah, close to 5, I think, to the wheel.
5?
Yeah.
Stage 1.
Yeah. Are you have any bolt-ons?
So all I have, I bought the charge plate, but
Yeah.
I didn't install it yet. I still need to install that.
Oh yeah, you have to, bro. Mine blew on me. I blew mine. Yeah. Yeah.
What kilometer is it a blow on?
Probably like 140.
140? Bro, I'm at 147.
But I was pushing my car though. That's why I was pushing it. Yeah. Yo, this line looks crazy though. It looks crazy, bro. I swear. You got some nice Brevos. Damn. Oh yeah. N55 is great. You have the N55s, right?
Yo, bro, let me go fuck with. I didn't know
bro.
Guys got them too, bro. Alpha M4 fuck.
Bro, you guys all have the same rims. What the fuck?
Nah, mine is different. Mine is stock. Blue. Yeah. That sounds good though. Oh shit. Nah, this car cut us off. Damn, we split up now. I got the other Beamers behind me. This thing feels surreal. I hope no one turns, bro. I want to go behind him. This is sick, bro. I don't know if y'all can see them in my mirror. Damn, that N55. That's literally my old car, bro. I should have asked him what year, because mine was 2012. I know some people probably gonna get pissed off thinking it's like a flexer or something, but nah, bro. We all young, bro. We kids. We just chilling. Yo.
Do you guys want to go on that drive?
I'm down, bro. Yeah, I'm down.
Yo, you guys want to go on the highway? Just follow me. We'll go on a small drive.
All right, bro. I want to go this lane. I want to get everyone in the video. God damn. Shit crazy, yo. I love the white F30. I can't even lie. Let me know what y'all think, bro. White or black F30? F30s look good in all colors, to be honest, but the white ones are just, they're mad clean. Wonder if we all make it. Yeah, I think I'm straight. Ah, the bus cut me off. He had his blinker on. I was about to go. think my car's tuned now, bro. I'll be getting gaffed. Oh shit, I think they're turning. They're gonna grab something to eat, but this guy's going on the highway, so if I can catch up to him. Alright boys, this is gonna be the end of the video right here. I was gonna give y'all a POV and everything, but I think the video is long enough, so I'm just gonna make another video going over the tune, because in this video that's what I was gonna do, but then I ran into everyone else with the cars, so this video wasn't really focused on what the tune feels like and stuff like that. But as y'all can see, it is fast. So yeah, I'm just gonna make another video more focused around the tune and the sound of the intake. Y'all hear the overrun brap, everything is back. But yeah, I'll catch y'all boys again really soon.